Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope you all are doing well. It was a weekend for us and we were just doing some activities. I was like just practicing some calligraphy and my Bono here she was sketching something, and just like that we were feeling kind of hungry as it was evening time. So here we are. We were all ready to make some snacks. As you can see, I have already boiled some noodles and here are some chopped onions and chilies. There we have oil and I have already boiled the noodles as I said. Now we just have to like fry it and that's all. And Bono is here to help me out. We both will just make our snacks and then enjoy it together. I also have some eggs because who doesn't love eggs in their noodles? Let's just get on with it without wasting any time. I already switched on the gas and I guess my pan is already heated up, so let's just go on by pouring our oil. And then here let's just wait for the oil to get heated up so we can just go on by frying the onions first, and then slowly we're gonna put the eggs and then go in with the noodles. That's how we just make it. Oh, and what's your favorite evening snack? Me and my Bono, we love to eat noodles whenever it is for dinner or for snacks, even as our tiffin in school. Noodles are just so yummy and tasty, and no matter how you make it, it's just delicious. Here I am seeing, as you can see, I just go in with my onions, and now we could just gonna go on and slightly fry them until they are like just little bit brownish. That's all. And as you can see, I'm just like it's some few pieces are like joined together. So like I said, brownish kind of little, and now we're just waiting, frying more because onions we don't want to taste them when we are eating our noodles. And then here I go in with our eggs, just crack them up and put. It's taking a while. Yeah. Oh, see, that's what I was telling. It's taking a while. My yolk broke, and even I was gonna scramble it, but we all love a nice crack, don't we? Then we go in with the second egg, which was perfect. Then here my Bono just here assisting me for everything. Then we go on scrambling the eggs. My flame is just in medium, not low, not high. We're just gonna scramble our eggs after letting it just getting a little bit solid together. We don't want that completely liquid texture of our egg, just so we can scramble it, and then we go in with our salt. And one more thing is that we don't put our chilies right before, or it will be burned and then the entire taste of it will just go away. So we will hold it until the end and then pour it. Here I go in scrambling my eggs and then mixing all the onions and eggs together, because at the end it will all be mixed with the noodles. And as I said, now I'm going in with the chilies just finally because we don't want to burn them. We just want them slightly to be together with the eggs and onions. And then finally we'll go in with our noodles, or maybe we can also add our masalas before. It's your choice. You can do it any way you want. I'm just scrambling the eggs a bit more. We don't want big chunks and we want it evenly fried also. So just wait a little bit and then fry it for a bit more so that it's not totally runny or even kind of raw. Now we go in with the noodles. We put the noodles was already boiled in and it was like quite a while since it was just there. So we just wait. And we give it all in, everything. It's not that much. I guess it's like half of a packet. Yeah. If it's too much, I really don't have that much skills to even like mix it or anything. It's just together, and yeah, this much amount is just like perfect for me. I use a fork and a spoon to mix it together, to like mix everything together. And by the way, I'm using 𝐥𝐻𝐾 noodles. Those are the best ones. And then we go in with a little bit of chili paste. We all like our noodles to be a bit of spicy with a little flavor of chili paste. And then I don't really like to put tomato ketchup in our noodles because it becomes too sweet, and that's just, we both don't like to eat that way. Instead, I just cover it up with some chili paste, or even chili sauce will go. Yeah, anything that's spicy and not kind of sweet will go. We don't even like tomato either, but I really don't like any of those, but my sister do like to eat ketchup sometimes. And now I'm going in with some oregano, like adding some finishing touches and all that. And then we'll also go in with some chili flakes, I guess. Yep, no? Yeah, we're gonna go in with some chili flakes and then finish it all up. As you can see, after this, I'm just going to mix it all up and then pour it in a plate, and we're all done, ready to eat and serve. As I told, we're gonna mix it up, just lower our gas so we don't burn noodles, and then mix it all up. As I said, we don't want a whole big mouthful of chili flakes in one bite. That's why I mix it all up, and then maybe just chop some noodles in half. A taste test here. Very hot, so need to cool it down. There you go. I was just checking for the salt. Then we're gonna go in with some salt if it's as I said. I was checking for the salt. We need some more salt. We're gonna go in with some salt. There you go. I guess we really do need a lot amount of salt because I guess I messed it up. Oh, by the way, I just remembered I absolutely forgot to put salt. I guess that's my mistake. Anyway, it's a reminder for all of you, if you're making noodles, do not forget to put salt in them, because it will not taste good without salt. Now I'm going to mix it all in so the salt is nice and mixed up with everything, the whole noodles, with every single bite. We should be able to taste it. Actually, I was supposed to put the salt before, but it's quite alright. Mistakes happen. And then I'm just giving it a final quite few turns and mixes, and we'll be done, all ready to serve it. Here we got our plate, and now let's go on and serve it. Always make sure your plate is clean because we're gonna eat in it. Now let's go on and pour it all in. We switch off the gas. Always be careful. We don't want our whole house to burn up. As you can see, the smoke is coming up. It's really, really hot. So always be careful. Don't be like me. I was literally trying to pour it like that and I burned my finger. It quite hurt a little. My pinky hurts a lot. But it's okay. Accidents happen, but always try to be careful. That's why I just kept it down and slowly I'll scoop it all up one by one. Because I guess I'm not yet a pro yet. So let's just work with what we have here, okay? We're all done with our noodles. Look how delicious it looks. It's still so hot. Now we can just go on ahead and dig in. It's already so tasty. Here we are. We both, as you can see, we can't wait to eat it. And she started without me. How unfair. But anyway, it was so amazingly tasty. Only thing was that if I wish I could add the salt before, but anyway, it tastes delicious no matter what. Noodles are one of the most easy recipes, and you can make it anytime you want. It's a comfort dish, for everyone. So we enjoyed eating the noodles, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video a lot. I will also try to finish up my calligraphy because I don't just like it yet. There are a few touches I have to add, and my Bono also have to finish up our sketch. And then this video was very nice, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in our next one. Bye bye. Masalama.